front of me is Nubia RedMagic 10 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then tap on those three dots at the top right corner. Select Mini and click on whatever you want to in your app within this pop-up. If you want to make it bigger or smaller, hold one of its corners and drag it to resize it. To move your window around, hold this line at the top and drag it as well. If you wish to use your app in full screen view, click on this icon at the top left corner. If you wish to turn it into a bubble, click on Home button and then swipe this tiny window to the side. Now access it by tapping on the bubble. Then tap on Tiny Window. You can also turn it into a bubble instantly by clicking on this icon with a line, also at the top left corner. Now to close your window, you can swipe it in the background or click on this X. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!